Hi, welcome to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to select and delete in Windows 11 Gallery, so now let's get started. Step 1. Open File Explorer from your taskbar or Start menu, then go to the Gallery. This is where all your photos are stored and where you can manage them easily. Step 2. To select a single photo, just click on it once. This highlights it so you can view, edit, or delete that photo quickly. Step 3. To select multiple photos, hold down the Control key and click each photo you want, or hold Shift to select a range. This makes deleting many photos at once much faster. Step 4. Right-click on the selected photos and choose Delete, or press the Delete key on your keyboard. This is the main way to remove photos from your gallery. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more quick Windows tips,